Hi guys, welcome to Citizen Mentors. My name is Ketan. So XAT result is basically out. So I'll give you a kind of a rough idea as far as the score versus the percentile is concerned. So this is what I roughly got from one of my student who has scored 98 percentile. So if you look at 98 percentile, if I look at the total score for 98 percentile, the score is round about 25.50 marks. That's what you can expect. 98 percentile. Decision making, this guy has got 99.55. So for 99.55 percentile, he was saying that the score is around about 11.59. It came down drastically, I think, because of this negative marking thing. Quant में round about 9 to 10 marks के लिए you are getting round about 91 percentile. And for VARC, on 5 marks you should be in between 85 to 90 percentile. So that is what you can kind of gauge that okay, at what percentile or rather at what score you are getting what percentile. Now let's move ahead with the another parameter which is basically nothing but the your scores and the college. So this is basically for your XLR. Now there are two cutoffs, by the way. One is for the male and another is for female for the business management and HRM. So you can see the screen and you can kind of get to know that for business management it is going to be, for female it's going to be 75 across, overall it's going to be 95. For male it's going to be 79.5, or I would say 80. Overall should be 96 to get a call for business management. In the same way, to get a call from HRM division, for female it should be 80, 70, 68/70. Overall should be 93. Looking at the sectional, you got to meet sectional, you got to meet the overall also. For female, for male it should be 85, 75, 72 or 75 I would say, but overall it should be 94%. Now this is for XLR for female and the male category. So if you have met the sectional cutoff, and definitely once you meet the sectional cutoff and if you have also met the overall cutoff, then you are eligible to get a call from XLR, that's for sure. Now let's move ahead and try to understand a couple of other colleges which are actually accepting XAT and their cutoffs. Now to begin with, on the top you have SPGen. So SPGen 85, this is basically nothing but the profile based call, right? So this is going to be profile based call. Something which is not profile, which is like a score based call under XAT, should be round about 95 percentile. This is being little bit aggressive, but yeah, 95 percentile पे you should be getting. कभी कभी 94 पे भी आ जाता है. XIMB 90 percentile. Then you have IMT Ghaziabad 90 percentile plus. TAPMI 80 percentile. Goa Institute of Management 85, 84 भी हो सकता है. Great Lakes 85 percentile पे आ जाएगा. IRMA 80. KJ Soma is 72, that is for sure. I have actually confirmed this number from the admissions committee representative. So 72 percentile is what KJ Soma is going to be giving call at. So if you are somebody who is actually at 72, can definitely go ahead and fill up KJ Soma ka form. The good thing is that these guys are not going to look at your sectional cutoff. So that's the best thing. I mean, SPGen ke baad, if you look at, all these colleges are really not going to be keen on your sectional cutoff. So that's where you get the advantage, wherein you can actually go ahead and fill the form. 4 is at 80, Wellinger is at 75, but XAT, it might go down till 70 also. Then you have LIBA at 75, BIMTech at 75, and XIME Bangalore at 74. So what you can do is, if you have given XAT and if you made all these cutoffs out here for all these colleges, I think SPGen is the only one which is going to ask you a lot even after XLR as far as the non-profile calls are concerned. Then I think other colleges are like mostly doable and manageable. 70 ki upar you're gonna get good calls. It's just that yes, as far as the interview is concerned, you will literally have to prepare a lot. Now, one question I can tell you, if you look at KJ Soma at 72, even being at 72 percentile with a great interview, you can crack PGDBM core or other PGDM core, right? It is not like that you can only crack this flagship program of KJ Somaya only if you have 95 percentile in the exam like CAT and all that. That's not really happening. So you can still expect to get into PG core, which is the flagship program of KJ Somaya, even at 72 percentile. So guys, that's it from my side. Hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly apply to these colleges if you are interested, looking at the cutoff that you got. Yeah, thank you so much.